Hi, I'm Darren. I'm the photo buyer at London Drugs, and today I have with me Joyce. She's one of our photo electronic department managers who is also a photography enthusiast. Thanks for coming out today.
Thanks for having me here.
Now today we want to talk about cameras that have Wi-Fi. Why would I want a camera that has Wi-Fi?
Well, Wi-Fi does several great things. One of them being that you can connect your camera to your smartphone wirelessly to view and remote control your camera. Or you can transfer your photos wirelessly from anywhere in the world.
Now, I know you post a lot of pictures online to sites like Instagram.
Yep.
I know a lot of people want to up their game because they've been taking pictures with a smartphone, but they want better pictures. They want more likes, right? How easy is it to get my pictures from my camera onto my smartphone?
Well, it's really easy, Darren. All you have to do is take your smartphone, download the appropriate app from your manufacturers, and then once you have the two connected with the Wi-Fi signal, then you can either use it as a remote control or download your photos wirelessly to share.
So your smartphone is a great accessory for your camera.
Yes.
Now, I know you work in the stores and you deal with lots of customers all the time. What do you think one of the biggest misconceptions people have about Wi-Fi?
Well, one of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to have an internet connection. Well, in this case, you don't, because it's a Wi-Fi connection between two devices. So once they're connected, you don't need any more network connections around you.
Right. So you could be on the middle of the forest and you don't have to have Wi-Fi. It's not like you're using your camera to browse the internet.
Yes.
They're just using it to talk to each other.
Exactly.
Now, I know also I go to events.
Yes.
A lot of times we're the photographers, right? So we're never in the pictures.
Exactly.
So by using a Wi-Fi enabled camera, we can use our smartphone to help take the pictures.
Yes.
And also that event, our friends can download the app from the manufacturer and they can select the pictures they want off the camera so we don't have to send them to them later.
Exactly. And then they can take those photos and post them online, such as Instagram or Facebook.
Perfect. So getting a camera with Wi-Fi is a great idea. Now, where would someone go to get one of these great Wi-Fi cameras?
Well, you can visit us at your local London Drugs or visit us online at londondrugs.com.
Perfect. Let's go take some pictures.
Let's go for it.